we are live. Welcome to our Accentrics FB Live seminar this afternoon. Study, live, and migrate to Australia. Why Australia? The four factors why you should consider migrating to Australia. Number one, Australia is listed in best country to live, better job prospect, healthier food, listed one of the highest salary. One of the best country in the world. Number three country with the highest average salaries. Number seven, best country in the world. Number nine, best country to raise a family. Number 27, safest country in the world. Ayan po, kasama po ang Australia sa pinaka the best country in the world. Here, let's proceed for navigating the top paying IT careers in Australia for 2024. Data science, cybersecurity, cloud computing, software engineering, AI, and machine learning. For data science jobs, some of the highest paid jobs in 2024, machine learning engineering, data scientist, data engineer, computer vision engineer, natural language processing or NLP engineer. Ito po ang kanilang annual income. Yan po yung mga highest paid data science jobs in 2024. For cybersecurity jobs and or some of the highest paid jobs in 2024, for Chief Information Security Officer, Security Architect, Penetration Tester, Security Engineer, Security Consultant. Ito naman po ang kanilang annual income. For cloud computing jobs in 2024, ito po yung mga some of the highest paid jobs. For cloud solution architect, cloud engineer, cloud security engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud data engineer, ito naman po ang kanilang annual income. For software engineering, we have software development manager, site reliability engineer, full stack developer, mobile software developer, blockchain developer. Ito naman po ang kanilang annual income. For AI and machine learning jobs in 2024, ito po yung mga some of the highest paid jobs. For Chief AI Officer, AI Architect, AI Product Manager, AI Ethics Specialist, AI Research Scientist. Ito po ang kanilang annual income. So, how to find and apply for a job? Paano po kayo maghanap ng trabaho? You can search. Just type www.sig.com.au. Sig.com can help you to find a job that fit for your or as a student visa holder. You just need to type the keywords, classification, and what or where your current place are like Parramatta, Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, like that. Para mabigyan ka nilang trabaho na malapit sa inyong locations. So, once you find a job, how can you apply for a job? You can just search www.linkedin.com. LinkedIn.com can help you apply for a job once you already have a job that fits for a student visa holder. So we have school location. We have four major cities in Australia. We have Sydney, Perth, Melbourne, and Parramatta, which is the most affordable school in CBD with one of the highest hourly rate. For Parramatta, everyone, this April intake is no show money and no IELTS needed sa affiliated school po namin sa Parramatta. If you start your application or your processing this month for April intake, makakahabol pa po tayo sa no show money and no IELTS needed natin sa affiliated school natin sa Parramatta. So what are the benefits of an Australian student visa? One, study at any university in Australia. Two, travel in and out of Australia as necessary. Three, work part-time during your course of study for up to 20 hours every week. Three, The visa permits students to work in Australia once they graduate. It's the first step towards obtaining an official job in Australia and applying for an extended stay. Last one, as dependents under your student visa, your spouse and children may accompany you to Australia. Pwede po kayo magsama ng spouse or dependents, which is boyfriend, live-in partner, fiance, and husband. And if may anak na po kayo, you can, pwede po kayo pumunta ng Australia together with your children as a student visa. So here, it's just an example of 5 part-time jobs for international students in Australia. Hindi lang po 5, it's just an example. As a student visa holder, you can apply as a barista, bartender, server, hotel and hotel job, fruit picking. Ito lang po yung mga those works na pwede po sa inyo. So, marami pa po, not just 5, but a lot of works can fit as a student visa holder. Unlimited work rights last year, magbigay ang Australian government ng benefits as unlimited work rights for student. Nag-end po ito noong June 30. We hope so this year magbigay or magbaba ulit ang Australian government ng unlimited work rights dahil sobrang laking tulong po nito as a student visa holder. You must have sufficient funds. Kailangan lang po natin patunayan ang ating sarili sa immigration na kaya po nating sustentuhan ang ating sarili sa whole total period ng pag-stay po natin sa Australia as student visa holder. Lalong-lalo na po ang ating living expenses sa pag-stay po natin sa Australia. What are the typical reason of rejection? So, everyone, if you have blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B, C, or liver disease, HIV infection, including AIDS, kidney disease, including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease that has required hospital admission or oxygen therapy, pag meron po kayo sa mga na-mention ko, pwede po tayong ma-auto-reject or auto-denied once you have this kind of sickness. Let's proceed for actual courses. So, ito yung mga related courses namin. For early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, ayan po, nasa screen po ninyong lahat yung onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees ng bawat courses po na kukunin po natin. So, paalala lang po, kailangan yung course na kukunin natin is related po sa natapos natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, if you finish for early childhood education and care courses and community service courses, ito po yung mga related na courses na available at saka ang kanilang mga enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For management courses, information technology courses, automotive courses, same pa din po as I said earlier. Ayan po ang kanilang onshore, offshore na enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses po. For trade courses, engineering course, hospitality courses, ayan naman po ang kanilang related courses at ang kanilang enrollment, tuition, and material fees, each courses. So, if may mga nakita na po kayong target courses nyo, just wrote it down para you have an idea of how much you're gonna spend for that kind of courses. Course start date or ang tinatawag po na intake. This year, we have 3 upcoming intakes, April, July, and October. So, pag gusto nyo po makahabol sa no show money and no IELTS, go for April intake. Hindi po siya pang matagal o pang long term. Maybe hindi po natin alam kung tatagal siya hanggang July or hanggang October. But one thing for sure right now is for April intake, no show money, no IELTS sa aming affiliated school na sobrang affordable as a student visa holder. Summary of fees, estimated only at 10% buffer. Sa mga i-mention ko po na fees, ito na po yung summary of fees or estimated na babayarin. Just add 10% buffer. For tuition fee, enrollment fee, material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC or 1-year single applicant, biometrics, yung total po or estimated na fees na magagastos po natin sa peso, that's 253,550 pesos. Just add 10% buffer para hindi po tayo kulangan sa ating processing. So as I mentioned, for tuition fee, enrollment fee, material fee, visa application fee, medical fee, OSHC, or biometrics. So how to earn 1 million pesos in just 5 months? If you work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, you will be paid 1,400 per week. So in just 1 to 2 months, you earn 11,200 Australian dollar. For the third month, you earn 16,800 Australian dollar. For the fourth month, you earn 22,400 Australian dollar. For the fifth month, you earn 28,000 Australian dollar. In peso, it's 1 million pesos. So, biruin nyo yun, in just 5 months, you earn 1 million as a single applicant. So, paano pa if you are a couple na pupunta po kayo sa Australia? So, how to earn 2 million pesos in just 5 months as a couple? If a couple work 40 hours a week at $35 an hour, they will be paid 1,400 per week each. Together, they make 2,800 per week salary. So for the first and second month po nila, it's 22,400 Australian dollar. Third month, 33,600 Australian dollar. For the fourth month, 44,800 Australian dollar. For the fifth month, it's 56,000 Australian dollar. Sa peso po, it's 2 million pesos. So as a couple, live-in partner, long-term boyfriend, husband, fiance, you earn 2 million pesos in just 5 months as a couple. So based on din po ito sa $35 per hour and 40 hours a week. So sa ating 8-step application process, sign the agreement or company contract. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice from our educational counselor, principal consultant, and sa ating buong Accentrix team. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are a genuine student. Dito na papapasok ang ating SOP or GTE or Statement of Purpose. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel. Ayan lang po yung pinaka maikling 8-step application process po natin. Sobrang dali po niyan. In just 1 month, 2 months, tapos na po natin yan. These are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. Fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form. Submit all the required document. Pay the enrollment fee directly to school. Wala pong dadaan sa company unless or except for the professional fee or company fee na nasa kontrata na kailangan po nating basahin. Pay the tuition fee directly to school and apply for a visa, and the fees for yung babayaran po natin sa immigration is direct po lahat yun. Sa school and sa immigration. Wala pong dadaan sa company except po yung professional fee na nasa kontrata. Kailangan lang po nating basahin ng maigi ang company contract bago po tayo mag-start ng ating application process. So if you have, ito po yung ating Accentrix word of the day. It's a big world out there. It would be a shame not to experience it. So if you have any question, just drop down your question and I'll answer it right away. I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes. If you have any question, if you are interested to our benefits this April intake, if you want to start your application this April for April intake, just drop down your full name, number, and after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo ng aming team. Same procedure din po para sa mga gusto mag-set up ng appointment for face-to-face consultation dito sa office. Just drop down your full name and number. Then after the seminar, tatawagan po kayo namin. Bukas po may face-to-face consultation kami with other clients. Pwede po kayo pumunta sa office sa AIC Burgundy Empire Tower, room 1414 at the back of Robinson Galleria, Ortigas. Just drop down your number to assist your inquiry and to set up an appointment dito sa office. Thank you so much for watching or joining our short FB Live seminar this afternoon. If you have any question, just message our FB page or sa number na nakalagay doon, or just call to 0945-4352-606. Again, it's 0945-4352-606. Again, thank you so much for joining our short FB Live seminar. Have a great day.